Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to place this TV that we purchased into our travel trailer. Please subscribe. It would mean the world to us if we can hit the 50 subscriber mark or over. And also, please hit the like button. And let's get to it. Okay, here we are in our travel trailer, and here's where the TV will be placed. Notice that it can be tilted to face the dinette, or it can be turned around to face the bedroom. So we'll put the bracket here. To put it up, we'll use this template. All right, time-lapse time. All right, we got it in. Okay, let me give it a try. And now we don't have any cable or an antenna, so it just comes up with this right now. And so there, voila, we've done it. We put a TV into our travel trailer. Thanks for joining us. Cue up the B-roll.
Hi guys, thanks for watching until the end of the video. 2 videos have just popped up on the screen, so don't forget to check them out. And also, there's our recent trip with our travel trailer, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Peace!